Hey there, I'm Ken. This is Canadian Retro Things. Welcome. So, I heard a rumor that there are computers that you can play games on that are more powerful than the 8-bit computers I usually use. If you've seen the video where I was traveling home from CoCoFEST and picked up a bunch of stuff this year, then you'll have seen that I picked myself up a Tandy 1000 TL. So I guess the time has come to fire it up and try out some games on it. And here is the system. It's a Tandy 1000 TL. It's got a 3.5-inch drive and a hard drive in it. A Tandy RGB color monitor CM5 and a Tandy enhanced keyboard. So, fire up the monitor and there it is on. Fire up the computer. Memory 768K. And that is taking longer than it should. Now, when I bought this, we did test it out and it fired up, so not sure. Ooh, I hope the hard drive didn't die. I can hear it spinning. That doesn't seem to be working. Well, one thing about it, when I bought it, the guy also included a compact flash reader. So, I guess I will put this in place of the hard drive and see if it fires up. Now, this case is held on with 2 screws, one on either side. You have to be careful taking the case off because there's a big volume knob that sticks out here that can be broken off quite easily. So I guess this is as good a time as any to take a look at what's inside of here. So, of course, got the power source here, 20 megabyte hard drive hooked up to the controller card for the hard drive. And then over here, this should be a serial printer card and a VGA card, I believe. VGA graphics card. So we'll pop this out. There we go. Just set that off to the back for right now. And in goes there we go. We're seated. Now it's time to fire it up. All right. Monitor on. Monitor is on. Power. Okay, we're still getting our memory size. Nothing. What happens if I reset it? Okay, it goes back to memory size. Still nothing. Just a second. I think I saw a light blink over there. Okay, there is a green light Showing some activity there. All right, I am going to have to go and do a little bit of research on this. So I've been thinking about this logically, and the fact that neither the hard drive controller or the compact flash reader worked here, I am hoping that it might actually be this expansion slot. So I'm going to pull the VGA card out. Just so you can get a look at that. That's this card right here. Now I am going to hook the hard drive controller up into there, to this port. Just so I can see what is going to happen. All right, now we can fire this up again and see if that helps. All right, well, here we go again. Power on to the monitor. Power on to the computer. Memory size 768K. There we go. Starting MS-DOS. It is working. It's working. All right. There are a few games on here. We've got Lemmings, Kid Rider, King's Quest 1, Wheel, Coaster, Comic. I believe if it works like the Color Computer 3, Sierra should start it. And the great thing about the Tandy 1000... Oh! Great thing about the Tandy 1000 is that it uses the same joysticks as my Color Computer 2, 3, 1, all of those. So I can just, I've got joysticks for it already. Look at that, King's Quest working. Alright, well, you know what this means. I guess I should hook that compact flash up and see what's on there. I got to change that into the other port. Booting into the compact flash. Bad command file name. Let's see. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff on there. It's like a lot of utilities and stuff. There we go. Well, there looks like a whole lot of stuff on here that I am going to now be playing around with on this computer. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, as I said, this is the very first computer of this type I have ever owned. So yeah, I got a lot of exploring to do. Well, we got it working in the end, and I was able to play some games on it. I guess I got a project in the future to try and get that one expansion port working, as well as test all the other expansion ports to make sure they're working too. But the most important thing is that it is working and I can play games on it, so awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you can do with the liking, the subscribing, and the commenting below, because anything and everything you do is always greatly appreciated. I guess I'm going to go play more games, and I will. See you next time.